There's several kinds of sterilization and sanitation techniques. There's several kinds of purifiers on the market. There's potable agua, there's liquid oxygen, there's iodine tablets. The technology changes all the time, so you need to keep up on what's changing, what they're coming out with new. Some of it's better than the older stuff. If you have to filter water, you can use anything. I can use my hat. I can use my bandana, or a couple of bandanas. I can use socks. I can put charcoal and grass in my bandana, drip water through it, and the water coming out is much more purified than normally would have.
I want to show you guys something. This is our Commando knife, inspired by the Vietnam SOG knife. Whether it's for hunting, camping, or emergency survival, this knife is built to handle it all. And talking about the handle, look at this bad boy. We got the stars and stripes on the handle for America. We got a glass breaker for any rescue situations you might be in, a durable 6.875 blade. It's the only knife you'll ever need once you get your hand on this bad boy. And guess what? This knife is free just for watching this video. All you have to do is cover the shipping by clicking in the link in the description, but we're only giving away 200 of these Commando knives. It's backed by a 1-year satisfaction guaranteed, so get to the link in the description and get yours now. Hurry up and get this bad boy. Oi, back to the video.
We're down in a creek bed, but this is an example of what you would find in a hilltop also, because what it looks like in the hilltop is just like this, because at one time the creeks and rivers were up there. There's about 1.5 to 2 inches of water in this pool. I'd say it's roughly about close to a gallon, a little more than a gallon. Doesn't smell too good. This is fairly clear though. But this is what you'd find after a couple of days of rain. It would be full of minerals, sometimes algae, and it'd still be drinkable. Now you might want to, this is fairly clear. I got some others that's pretty murky. You'd want to strain it and boil it or sanitize it, either any way you have. But here's at least a gallon of water would keep you alive for a while. Now there's a few pools along here, certainly enough to keep you alive for several days, especially if you've rationed your water inside your body, not in your canteen. But if I wanted to get some of the impurities out, there's my filter spot right there. I'm still going to get a little bit of sediment, but it's basically clear and I'm not going to get a lot of sticks. If you have like a pump, water filter, you could put this down here and put a couple of rocks on either side of it and fill up your canteen and purify at the same time. Now, when it's really hot, any water will do.